Hi folks, it's Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Mindset Empire, which launched on the 5th of August at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release from Italian marketer Alessandro Zamboni. You may recall him from the series of left field releases that he's had out this year. Things like children's book Empire, which was very successful, that some of you picked up over the last month or so. Well, this is, if you like, I suppose more of a conventional release from him, in that this is a product that tells his story about how he managed to turn things around from an internet marketing point of view. So this actually isn't a PLR release, just to get that clarified. This is a technique release showing you in exact, broken down step-by-step modules how Alessandro turned round his internet and affiliate marketing career to a degree where he is now the most successful, according to himself, Italian internet marketer currently living in the US. So a quick question for you: if you're tired of getting bad or stagnant results in online marketing, then you can now know the secrets of how to empower your mindset to reach unbelievable outcomes. So if that sounds like something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the set of custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Mindset Empire from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 of them, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before the countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. And as usual, folks, I really don't want that to happen because as the title suggests, they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Mindset Empire, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit special and different to anyone else's. So what exactly is Mindset Empire? Well, this secret in the last 3 years has changed Alessandro's business and life forever. As I said, if you're tired of getting bad or stagnant results, then if so, starting 30 seconds from now, you'll know the secrets of how to empower your mindset to reach unbelievable outcomes. And you should watch the sales video here from Alessandro, which is also on my bonus page. Let's have a little flavor of it here.
Hello, welcome from Alessandro Zamboni. This product is different from anything I've released in the last 10 years.
Alessandro makes the point that he had the added difficulty of English not being his first language when he started off in internet and affiliate marketing. But despite that, following the steps that he went through, he was able to get himself to a stage where he has had countless Deal of the Day awards for his products on Warrior Plus, and he's also earned thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing. So Mindset Empire gives you the real secret changes that he applied to his mindset to get incredible results in life and business and more earnings on a monthly basis. You can start applying the secret methods every day and see immediate results on yourself. Everything that Alessandro learned from years of study and big money spent on top mindset courses is served to you on a silver platter. You don't need anything else. Start running from the first day and never look back to old and negative results. Move yourself into the 20% of the rich population and leave others behind in the remaining 80%. Grow your mindset to a level you thought unbelievable to reach. So we will come back, folks, and have a look in depth at the modules of the course in just a moment. But first, let's just cover these custom bonuses. So when you click on the link immediately underneath, you'll come through to this page here, and this review video that I'm recording will be in here. These are the points that we've just gone through about what Mindset Empire is all about. And here again is another opportunity to have a look at the sales video from Alessandro, which is only a short video, and I recommend that you watch it. And then here are the bonuses that I've put together. Well, in terms of mindset, in my opinion, there's one person who is the absolute master of mindset and getting your head right, and that is Jim Rohn, who's an old school internet marketer. Now, this is like a 4-hour masterclass from Jim at the actual peak of his game. I recommend that whatever field of business you're in, you should be watching this, because this is actually, you know, internet marketing gold. No one teaches it like Jim does, and I strongly recommend that you watch this this video of the master in action. You may want to spread it out over a few goes, because as I said, it is quite lengthy, but all of the stuff in here is absolute gold dust, and it's worth the front end price of this course alone just to get this Jim Rohn personal development masterclass. Now, if you find that you like mindset stuff and other things that you may have picked up of a similar nature in other PLR products recently, then why not seriously consider imparting some of this information yourself and becoming a life coach and making a little bit of a sideline business for yourself. If that's something that is of interest to you, then I've put together this short course on 10 steps to becoming a life coach. The third bonus, moving away from the core subject matter of the course now, and turning to making money online. These are 10 websites that you can earn $100 a day from in 2019. I'm throwing this bonus in with this course. Getting traffic to any website is dead important, getting traffic to all of your offers and links. So here is a tutorial on how to get 1 million website visitors in 1 month. It's an ongoing training. It's about 1.5 hours in length, and it will teach you how to build up to this in a period of time over several months. And finally, an introductory course to affiliate marketing if you happen to be new to affiliate marketing currently. This is probably the definitive affiliate marketing course for beginners, taught by one of my mentors, John O'Armstrong, and it will teach you everything that you need to know to get off to a fast start in affiliate marketing. So they are my 5 custom bonuses, and as I said, to get them, all you need to do is click on any of these green buttons, which will take you back through to this sales page. So the usual stuff about a bit of background history on Alessandro himself, and I will let you read that. He explains that since 2015 he's been following the best high-ticket mindset courses of the world just to compare what they were explaining. After collecting so much information, he's been able to understand that not everything you read is true. Only a handful of people know the truth about how to grow a winning mindset. And finally, he's been able to change himself to get incredible results that he thought were impossible to achieve. That's why he's created his own mindset system that anyone can follow based on his own personal experience. You just need to focus on yourself for 10 minutes a day, focusing on the easy content that Alessandro has created for you. And he's not only talking about online marketing, but about how you can live the life that you can live with more money, the dreams that you may transform in tangible reality, the time that you can spend with your family and friends without ever looking back at the old you and the old problems. So, as I said, I'm not going to spend too much time on the sales page because you can obviously read through it all yourself. But inside this step-by-step guide, you'll learn the 8 tricks your mind plays with yourself every single day, the 13 wrong paradigms we have and how to set them right, how to stop damaging behaviors in life and business, Alessandro's secret method to manage your objectives, how to keep track of the thing which will move you to the top of your category, how to become more influential, powerful, invincible, and unreachable in your business. And this is the complete mindset change that Alessandro lived on his own, the one which took him incredibly quickly to be the #1 Italian internet marketer in the US. It's definitely a course that you won't find anywhere else because obviously it's all Alessandro's own creation. These are evergreen lessons you won't find anywhere else and that will change your life if you dedicate to them. So it's easy to do. You'll see immediate and positive changes. You'll work way less to earn more. You'll become a much better salesperson. You'll get incredible results online, and you'll grow your business and no one can stop you. Every lesson in this course has been tested and used by Alessandro himself for at least 3 years. Only a few people are taking advantage of these methods, the top 20%, and this is a course you've never seen before. Step 1 to succeeding with this is to read, memorize and apply the methods. Step 2, study your wrong paradigms and solutions. And step 3, use your 2 bonus journals to take notes. So what you'll get in this obviously is your Mindset Empire guide, your objectives journal. No mindset changing plan is good if it doesn't come together with a solid journal to compile each day with your notes. And a happiness journal. Happiness should always be part of our life, and thanks to this journal you can now jot down any happy moments. By reading them you can focus on happiness. So this is, as I said, the guide that's designed to take you out of that bottom 20% and into the top 80%. It comes with a full 14-day money-back guarantee, as do all Alessandro's products, and he has a very, very low refund rate as well. That, folks, is pretty much the core product. I am just going to have a quick look at the upsells with you. So the first upsell is Personal Development Empire. In this first volume, the subject is your job. Here, everything is focused on yourself. You can learn countless ways to become more productive and stop wasting precious time. And that sells for $27. And you also get a journal and a workbook. Upsell number 2 is Confidence Empire. If confidence is your problem and you can't move out of your comfort zone, this product will help you move faster and better, leaving your problems behind. That sells also for $27. Upsell number 3 is Daily Habits Empire, where Alessandro shows you some incredible ways to win over all your negative habits, to save money and especially your health. This way you can focus on your business better. And this one is $37, which is a really low price considering you get a 30-day habits killing journal for free. And finally, if you want to actually get mindset coaching directly from Alessandro and win all your fears to start your business like a pro, that goes for $297. That's for 40 minutes of personal coaching from Alessandro. That's the missing ingredient to becoming an online marketing superstar, the one many follow for an entire lifetime without actually finding it. So they are, folks, your upsells from Alessandro. So if you've been looking for a product that for some time that will get you out of the losing mentality that a lot of us can fall into in internet and affiliate marketing from time to time, well, you've certainly found it with Mindset Empire. And as I said, if you want to pick up also all of these additional extra bonuses, just a quick reminder there of what they are, then all you need to do is click on the green button there. That will take you through to the sales page. As I said, this will be a buy now button. At the time I recorded this, it hasn't actually launched, so the early bird list button was still there. But this will say add to cart or buy now. Just click on that button there. The price of the front end is $17, folks. That's what this is going to set you back. In fact, it may even be live now. Let me just refresh here and we'll see what the price is. Yep, $17. There we go, folks, $17. So just click on add to cart, and then that will bring you back through to your back office at Warrior Plus, your receipt area. So click on your green button there to access your copy of Mindset Empire, and click on the blue button there to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to that. As with all Alessandro's products, they always add a lot of value, and they're also always very popular with a very low refund rate, because Alessandro always does go the extra mile to give you additional good value content. So I'm going to give this one 4 out of 5 as our Elite Tigers Group rating. All that remains then is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Mindset Empire.